Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nancy. Thank you so much for watching my video. Today will be an unboxing video. I am going to be unboxing my BOXYCHARM. And BOXYCHARM is my only subscription and my longest subscription ever. I feel like I have this subscription for like 2 years now. I don't know, I feel like I've had this subscription box for a really long time and I just love it so much. That is why I have not changed it for the longest time ever. So yeah, it is a $21 subscription box and you get mostly, I repeat, mostly full-size products. There are some times that you do get some deluxe products, but I would say most of the time they're full-size products and they're great stuff. There are some pretty well-known brands that are included in this box as well. If you're really into subscription boxes, you're trying to find a good subscription box, then this one is definitely the way to go. Honestly, I really stand by this box because it's so good. The best subscription box out there. I've tried a lot too, and I have not tried any in a really long time because I've just been in love with this box so much. It's like so famous now. And it's popular on Instagram too. Their Instagram usually shows sneak peeks, and when people start getting their boxes early, they start posting like the boxes already. So there are some different variations of this box. So let's just jump into it. I don't want to babble on so much. I just want to show you guys some of the products. And yeah, let's get right into it. So I already opened my box. And the theme for this box is vacation. So it's really cute. It's like flower theme. Oh my god, this stuff fell. It's flower theme and I really like that so much. It's really cute. Vacation. And then of course you get the products on the back here as always, and the price of each product. We do get a 25% off your next $50 purchase on butterlondon.com. So if you guys would like, you guys use code CHARM25 at checkout and then you get 25% off a $50 purchase at Butter London. And I like Butter London. And I really like this kimono cover up that I have going on here. I feel like it matched the theme, you know, with all the flowers and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to dig in here first and show you guys this awesome palette right here. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know how this palette looks like because BOXYCHARM and Pure Cosmetics actually did go on a brand trip, and they went to Mexico and they celebrated the launch of this palette. And yeah, there was a lot of hype on this. Oh, I didn't notice there's some cute little heart. There's some stickers on here. Okay, all right, let's dig into this palette. Oh, I like how cute these colors are. Oh my god, this lighting it's beaming off of it. But let me take this off. So these are the very beautiful colors on here, and yeah, they launched this palette and it's super cute. I own one of Pure's eyeshadow palette, and it's so nice. I'll link it up on the iCard, so you guys can definitely check that video out. I did a tutorial on one of their palettes. It's so nice. This palette is so cute. Oh, I am in love with this roll right here. This is like my roll right here. Like, these are some beautiful colors, and everything is really pretty. I would love to swatch it, but I will be doing a video on this palette, so you guys stay tuned for that. I will have a video up using this palette. Retails for $36. Let's jump on to the next one. I'm super excited for this one, and this is the Pretty Vulgar Make Them Blush. And I think it's super cute. Just look at the Pretty Vulgar's cute little packaging right here, and then open up and it's a very nice pretty blush. And let me swatch it. Ooh, it feels nice and buttery. Kind of like a really nice nude blush color. Ooh, can't wait to use this. And I love getting blushes because I'm always on the hunt for a good blush, and this is in the shade Hush Blush. So really cute. I love the packaging. And Pretty Vulgar is a brand that's at Sephora, and it's also like a newer brand at Sephora, and I feel like it's awesome that they're already including their products because I also received one of their product in my BOXYCHARM, and I think it's really cool that they're trying to put their products into these subscription boxes so they could be more known, you know. So yeah, I really like it. I just really dig this color. Yeah, I can't wait to use it. I really messed it up on the inside, but I really liked it. It's really pretty. And let me see, it retails for $26, so that's a pretty high-end brand. So yeah, it's really nice and I can't wait to use that. This next one is called South Main. It's 3 eye gel packs. So it's an eye gel packs. It reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes the eye area. And you guys know I love anything that has to do with my eyes. I love anything that will fix my under eyes because I am in need of it, you guys. So yeah, there is 3 eye gel in here, and I love eye gels. It just makes my under eye feel so refreshed and new. So you get 3 in there, obviously, and yeah, I don't want to take it out yet because I have makeup on, but I'm definitely going to be using this for my under eyes, and I want to see some results. So I'm super excited for this. This one retails for $10, so that's great. And I love that it includes 3 gel masks, because usually these boxes just send in like 1 like face mask or gel mask. What I love about BOXYCHARM too is they always include more than just 1. Like, you know, for brushes they include more than 1. For masks they include more than 1. For eye packs, eye gel packs, they include more than 1. So I just love that about BOXYCHARM so much. Like, you really get your bang for your buck. So definitely get your hands on it. And I'm pretty sure, oh yeah, I'm pretty sure there is no more waitlist, because I know BOXYCHARM had a waitlist. No more waitlist. I think I want to check. Where's my phone? I want to check it. The last time I checked, I knew they were sending out notifications saying that there's no more waitlist. So if you guys want to get your hands on BOXYCHARMs, definitely do it now. You guys will not regret it. I'm preaching about this box because I just love it so much. My one and only subscription box, and I just love it so much. But yeah, okay. At least I got that out of my system. Let's move on to the next one. This one is from Butter London. This is a mascara. So this is the Double Decker Lashes mascara. It's a big mascara, you guys. So here is the wand. Nice simple wand. This is a really short hair wand. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try it out. I'm always hoarding mascaras, you guys, hoarding them, because I'm just, whatever one I find, I just use it, you know, because I'm not really a big mascara fan, just because I have super short lashes and I love wearing my falsies. So yeah, I don't really care for mascaras, but I do use them. You don't get me wrong, I do use them, but it's just not something that I really truly invest in. So yeah, that is my take on mascaras. Lastly, I got this Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Brush Set. So here we got a brush set right here from Vintage Cosmetics, and I know BOXYCHARM has included this brand in their box before, and there is a sticker on here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so I know this brand is really good. I received one of their highlight, I believe, and it's really awesome. I love it so much. But yeah, we got 3 brushes on here. That's what I'm talking about, you guys. Not just 1 brush, 3 brush. And they've included other brush trios before too, like Luxie ones, and it's always coming in 3s, you guys. So we got 3 brushes here. Let's see, do they have a name? There's this one called Step 1 for the Money. I don't know how I feel about these brushes. It feels kind of stiff right now. So yeah, I would love to try them on my eyes. And this one says Step 2 for the shadow. So I'm guessing you put this for your shadow. Well, all of this is for your eyeshadow. But yeah, you got kind of like an angle brush on this one. And then lastly, we have this tinier brush right here. Oh, I feel like this one is gonna be really good. It's just going to pack real tight your eyeshadow. So yeah, I really like these short hair brushes too, because they're really good. They're really good for multitasking. Like, just, it's good for your under eyes, it's good for your eyeshadows. It's really good. This one retails for $23.15, and Butter London, the mascara, retails for $20. So yeah, super excited to try out these brushes. Love getting brushes. And that is it, you guys. Stay tuned for that palette tutorial. I will be having one real soon. But yeah, if you guys like this video at all, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe before you all leave. I don't want to repeat myself so much, but I will be having more videos coming your way, vlogs coming your way as well, so please stay tuned. But for now, I will say goodbye to you guys until the next video. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.